Alright guys, ShortMeTina here from ShortMeTina.com with a recap. I'll talk about the markets a little bit later, but let's kick it off with ticker AMD. I've done several video recaps on this particular trade. You can go to my YouTube channel at ShortMeTina and go through all the videos that I've done. You can check on the ones that I did where I discussed AMD, and you'll know that while I am bullish on this stock in the longer term, I felt that it was really overextended back here in September. And sometimes, I'm a little bit early on these shorts or on my short calls. Back here in September, I said that this stock was due for a correction. It kind of had this, what I'm going to call a spring, went as high as 33. And then when it started to cave in around, we can say that 28, 29 mark, I thought the writing was on the wall. I was calling for 20. I'm pretty sure a lot of folks thought that I was crazy. Here we are after earnings, and we are trading at, last quote I see here is 1769. So I said I wouldn't even touch the stock until it got to around 20. We're well below that. We're actually almost at the breakout levels of around $15, $16. 22% decline. If the market wasn't acting the way that it currently is, probably would have taken the trade. I'm gonna wait this one out, let it settle. The fact that we shed 22%, we might get a bounce back here to 20, but I think that this goes lower. Again, I think we're going to revisit that initial breakout base of around $15. Bearish in the shorter term on AMD. What else do we have? All right, we have Tesla. You're looking at about a 2-year daily chart. Tesla reported earnings today. We're up about north of 10% in after hours trading. I have 316.80 as the last quote. So again, the stock has more or less traded above that 290-300 level for about a year and a half, minus these minus these anomalies where the stock actually breached that 290-300 support level. I indicated a while back that the best place to buy was at 240-250, and if you actually caught the trade, I didn't. I do get greedy. 240 is 240 for me. It did get as low as around 247. So if you caught that bounce, amazing. Stock broke through again that support / resistance level of 290-300, and we're currently sitting again, what did I say, around 318, 319 and after hours, somewhere around here. So be careful, because right here you can see this kind of in my opinion short-term resistance. With this market, the stock can actually roll over, so this is going to be very crucial tomorrow, for the remainder of the week and for the remainder of the month. Let's pay attention to this level running into short-term resistance. The stock can actually roll over with the entire market. What else do we have? All right, we have the SPY, Crimea River today, right? So we broke through that crucial 270 level that I spoke about. We closed at 265. So definitely going into the month, the week, I am paying attention to see if the SPY can recover. If not, this might be more than just a correction. We might actually be entering bear market territory. I don't think that we're there as of yet, but again, I am now extremely cautious in the market. 265, we closed quite low to the low of the day, 264.70. Not a good sign. If we touch that and cannot bounce, I see further decline. We have support here of around 255. What else do we have? QQQ, similar story, right? Daily chart, we pierced through that support level of around 170 on volume, closed at 165. Again, nothing but selling. The low of today was 165.04. We closed at 165.34. Unless we get a gap up, I generally say if an equity or a security closes close to the low of the day, chances are there's more selling in store. So let's pay attention to the QQQ again. Right now, we're not by definition in correction territory. I don't believe we're off by 10% as of yet, but we're getting there and might be heading into a bear market. Let's continue to watch the overall market. And I'll cap it there because the IWM paints a similar, more dire story. I think we're off definitely over 11% on that. So ShortMeTina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any part of this video recap, do two things for me. One, head on over to my YouTube page at ShortMeTina, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications. I do videos every single day. Then head on over to ShortMeTina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you.